Hola. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about giving commands. By this, I don't mean bossing people around. Giving a command could be as simple as saying, eat at that restaurant, open the window, walk straight and turn right, visit the museum. It's basically anything you're telling someone to do. There are a few concepts we need to remember when working with commands. First, we're going to assume we are talking to someone we know, or someone younger than we are, or someone we're on a first-name basis with. In other words, when you would normally use the to form. When you're talking to someone who you would address as usted, the construction is a little different, and we'll talk about that in another lesson. Next, we're going to be concentrating on affirmative commands, not negative commands. In other words, saying do it is formed one way in Spanish, while saying don't do it, the negative command, which is completely different. We're going to start with regular verbs, but there is a list of irregular to commands which you will need to know. In this lesson, we are just concentrating on affirmative to commands, and they're pretty easy. At the end, I'll talk about where we would put our direct object pronoun when dealing with commands. Okay, let's get started. When you want to give a command, instead of using the to form, use the él, ella, usted form of the verb. Here's an example. A regular statement, you read the book, lees el libro. The command form, read the book, lee el libro. Regular statement, manejas con cuidado. You drive carefully. Command, maneja con cuidado. Drive carefully. The irregular to commands are sé, ven, di, sal, haz, ten, ve, and pon. Say, be. Ven, come, like come here. Di, tell me. Sal, leave. Haz, do or make. Ten, have or in those special tener expressions, it could also mean be, like be careful, ten cuidado. Ve, go. Pon, put. Here's a regular statement. Haces la tarea. You do the homework. In its command form, haz la tarea. Do the homework. So here I'm talking to one person, a tú. Vienes a mi casa. You come to my house. Ven a mi casa. Come to my house. Regular statement. Sales de tu casa a las 6. You leave your house at 6. And the command, sal de tu casa a las 6. Leave your house at 6. Okay, commands with direct object pronouns. Open the window. The command form is abre la ventana. If we just want to say open it, we're going to replace la ventana with the direct object la, and we're going to attach it right to the end of that command form, ábrela. Now remember, direct object pronouns normally go before a conjugated verb or hung right on the end of an infinitive. And so the other place you can put them is at the end of a command. So don't try and put the direct object pronoun at the end of just a regular conjugated verb. It has to be a command. Eat your vegetables. Come las verduras. Eat them. Cómelas. Las being the direct object for vegetables. Hazlo or hazla. Do it. It depends whether the it is masculine or feminine, and that'll tell you which direct object pronoun you need. Okay, so watch this video as many times as you need. Memorize the list of irregular to forms and be sure to do the questions associated with this lesson. Or should I say, hazlas. Buena suerte.